I'd have some positives in there, that way it wasn't just a bashing. Listen to that all day. Man, this dude is fighting. Yeah, but it only looks like 3,000. Yep. And then, as we get used to this, I'll take more pictures where the only thing I'll focus is the fish, your hand, and then you'll be blue. Crappie! Got me some crappie. At least I didn't set the hook hard. We'd have never seen it. Might be a keeper. We'll measure that thing. Because he's close. Yeah, it'll just be a second. No, not a. He's over 14. Just. The cast wasn't even near where I wanted it to be. Small, that's yeah, it's keeper. Comes right out.
Come on, say something witty and clever.
Alright, we're in here fishing in this creek. We've been throwing spinner baits. Now we're switched over to some swim baits. All we're trying to do is just mimic shad and any other little fry. All these bass have already started to spawn out. Water temp today is about 67 degrees. So we've probably caught, what, about 8, 9? So we're just catching some. So far, most of them, the biggest ones are about this size, nothing huge. That's all we got. I'll boat this one. Woo, I might have broke my line. Always got these go-getters. Got it? Got a Cinco. Need the pliers again. Might let a little line out, little kid. You're killing me. He's been caught plenty of times. Look at the side of his mouth. That's why I didn't say that. That's pretty good. Good call. Good keeper. Good job. He did it what he's supposed to do. That's how all day is supposed to be. Well, yeah, we should have been catching way more than what we have been. No, fishing the way they're supposed to be hitting earlier. Boat flip. A huge boat flip. That one's... You had to measure him, see if he's gonna be close. Yeah, I think it's a 13. Yay! Crappie? Big old crappie.
On a spinnerbait. So after I kept throwing my thing.
That fish was in the perfect spot again.
You just don't turn it back whenever you want. There you go.
Yep. Crappie! That's big. That's a good crappie. Spinnerbait with crappie. Oh yeah. You can let them go whenever you want. There you go. It's already recording. You're gonna do it again. Keep circling. And we're getting big fish to go with our little 5 fish limit. So whenever you're ready, Fry, we're ready for the fish challenge.
Hold on, it's doing something weird.
Huh?
No, it says it's recording. We're still going.
Alright, so Fry, we're ready to do this fish challenge. This is not on a fly, but We can fish them either way. We'll all team up different, and we'll start making these new videos where everybody's having their little fish challenge together. I already know I am, and then bam! Got another. Woo! Got a tail release. Curveball. Got it. Good one.
Hard for this.
Yeah. Alright, so what we've been doing today, I know it's still a keeper, barely, but we've been catching a bunch of fish with spinnerbait. You'll see most of this video catching them with spinnerbait, chatterbait, Senko, crankbait, another crankbait, a little jig, and what else? What else we got tied on? Oh, swim bait. The only thing we tied on that we did not catch a fish on was a creature bait, because I failed to cast it more than 5 times. We still got time. I may throw it, but I'm not. But I could if I wanted to. You got to think about that. So, anyway, we caught plenty of fish like this. There's a few bigger ones. The biggest one maybe 5 pounds. So, but we had a pretty good little limit of fish. Probably only about 16, 17 pounds. But still better than nothing. And it certainly beats any other regular day off. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. There's going to be fishing challenges we're going to start doing in the future with other people you've seen on the channel. We're going to have some challenges where it could be multi-species, a number of fish, largest fish, and everything else. Some of them's going to be fly versus, you know, like if y'all have ever seen fly versus jerk, we're going to have fly rods against spinning rods, bait casters, whatever. So we're going to have some different challenges. Some of them we're going to have some little giveaways where we go give some stuff to some kids after we're done with it. Anyway, y'all have a good one.